Listen children, division of numbers by one digit. Here 3,08,760 divided by 6. So this number is called the number which is divided is called the dividend. The number by which we will divide is called the divisor. And how you have to write how you have to divide it here, see here. This 6 is taken as divisor like this, and this number is taken as dividend. First of all, you have to read the table here. 6 means 6 table you have to read. While reading table here, 6 1 just you have to observe that here the given number is always మనం తీసుకునేది ఎప్పుడు కూడా ఇక్కడ ఉన్న నెంబర్ కంటే కూడా తక్కువ ఉండేట్టుగా చూసుకోవాలి. That should be less than the number here. So here you read the table here, you will get here 6 5s are 30. So 6 5s are 30 you will get here. Then each time you have to bring down only one digit. Each time you have to bring down only one digit. One condition is here, less than this number you have to take, and each time you have to bring down only one digit. These conditions you have to remember. So here 6 5s are 30, finish. Next is 6 1s are 6. After that you have to subtract this, you will get here 8 minus 6 2. Then again you bring down another number, that is 7. Next number it will become 27. Again you have to read the table. 6 1s are 6, 6 2s are 12, 6 3s are 18, 6 4s are 24, 6 5s are 30. 30 is more than 27. So therefore you have to take the 6 4s are 24. 27 24. 6 4s are 4 you have to write here, and this you have to 24 you have to take. After that you will get here 7 minus 4 you will get here 3. Again you bring down here 6. Then how many times it will go here? 6 6s are 36. 6 6s are 36. Again you are having here one 0 is there, so bring down that 0. Then how many times it will go? 6 zeros are 0. So here in table you can write here 6 into 1, 6 into 0 is equal to 0. So 6 zeros are 0, it will go. All digits you have to bring down. After that you are getting here remainder 0, this will be the remainder. So this answer is the quotient. Like this you have to do the division. See here another division. 92,736 divided by 9. So here 9 1s are 9. Every time you have to bring down only one digit now. So one digit you brought down here. Then what you will, how many times it will go here? 9. 9 zeros are 0. So it won't go. 9 0 times it will go. So you have to keep 0 here and then bring down another digit. Then you will get here 27. Now how many times it will go? 9 3s are 27. Again here I bring down the next number 3. 3 means it will go 0 times. So again bring down 6. 36 will be there. So 9 4s are 36. And there are no digits here. So whatever we got here, this is called the remainder is 0. So this is the quotient. Next division of numbers by 2 digits. Division of numbers by 2 digits. See here 75,950 divided by 25. So here 25, 75,950. How many times it will go here? 25 3s are 75. All of you know that. Next I bring down 9. 9 means it will go 0 times. So write here 0 and bring down another digit. 95 will get here. Then 25 3s are again 75. So bring after subtracting you will get here 20. Bring down the other digit. Then how many times it will go? 25 8s are 200. Like this you have to do the division children. And next here another 2 digit number division here. 23 and the dividend is here 63,578. See here 23, how many times, how can you check how many times it will go? You have to estimate it here. You take the 2 table. 2 table, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6. So here you got here 6. So check will it go for 3 times. 23 into 3 are getting here 69 is more than 63. 69 is more than 63. Therefore you take 2 times. 23 into 2 you will get here 46. So 23 2s are 46. And then here 13 minus 6 you will get here 5, and 5 minus 4 you will get here 1. 15 is the remainder here, and you have to bring down 1 digit here, then it will become 155. Again here 15 is there. Again you read the table, 2 table. 2 7s are 14 you will get. So 23 7s are, you check it. 23 into 7, how much you will get here? 161 you are getting. This 161 is more than 155. So then you take 6 times. Then it will be 138. Again you subtract it, you will get here 17, and bring down the next digit, that is 7. Then it will become 177. Again here 17 is there, so you already did here. 23 7s are 161. So 7 times it will go. 23 7s are 161. After subtracting you will get here 16. Bring down another digit again. So 23 7s are again 161. You will get the remainder here 7. So this 7 is the remainder, and this is the question. This is the question. That is the answer. Like this you have to do the divisions, children. Some of the students did mistakes. You correct your mistakes, children.